Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Real Estate channel. I'm Blake.
And I'm Paul.
And today we're diving into a crucial topic for Californians, home insurance and the California Fair Plan.
If you're a resident of the Golden State, especially in a high-risk fire area, this information is absolutely essential. Before we get started, please hit the like button so the algorithm knows this video is worthwhile. Now let's jump in and take a look at the California Fair Plan and what it means for California homeowners.
For California residents, a number of factors may influence their ability to purchase homeowners insurance. If the house is old or located near an earthquake fault line, for example, it may be denied coverage due to an elevated risk of damage. Additionally, in 2023, several major companies announced paused, stopped, or canceled policies in the state due to increasing wildfire risks. California is no stranger to wildfires, and for many homeowners, obtaining fire insurance has become a significant challenge. This is where the FAIR Plan comes into play. Founded in 1968, FAIR stands for Fair Access to Insurance Requirements, and it is a program to provide property insurance coverage to those who have been denied coverage through the traditional market. It is not an insurance company itself, but rather a last resort for homeowners who have been turned down by traditional insurers due to the high-risk nature of their properties. FAIR is an association of all California insurers that offer basic property insurance coverage for fire, smoke, and other perils.
With other major insurance companies pulling out of the California homeowners market, the number of California Fair Plan policies issued has been on the rise. In addition to increased demand for this coverage limits themselves are also increasing. And with more property owners relying on the Fair Plan insurance to cover their high-risk properties, costs have been rising as well. This is why the Fair Plan should be thought of as a last resort. Before turning to a Fair Plan, explore other traditional options first, as they tend to offer better coverage and more affordable rates. Now let's take a look at what the Fair Plan covers.
The FAIR Plan provides coverage for the structure of your home, personal property, and additional living expenses in the event of a covered loss related to fire, lightning, smoke, or internal explosion. It's important to note that the coverage is basic and it does not include certain perils commonly found in comprehensive homeowners insurance policies. For example, the FAIR Plan does not offer coverage for theft, falling objects, freezing, water damage, or personal liability. You can purchase optional extended coverage for windstorms, hail, explosions, riots, aircraft, or vehicles, as well as for vandalism or malicious mischief. You can also get optional coverage for other structures like storage sheds.
To qualify for a Fair Plan, you may have to make some improvements to your home that will limit your damage risk. This could include removing dangerous trees, upgrading electrical wiring, and making other changes as directed by your insurance company. Remember, the Fair Plan are available to people who can't find coverage through no fault of their own. This means if you fail to make the changes, the Fair Plan can still deny coverage. The good news is this: if you make the changes and have been insured by a Fair Plan, you may be able to switch back to a regular homeowner's policy in the future. So Blake, let's say I want to apply for a Fair Plan coverage. What's the process and how do I go about applying?
Yeah, great question. So to get a quote for a California Fair policy, follow these steps. First off, we want to apply for coverage on the private market, right? So this is a last resort policy. We want to remember that. First, try to get a traditional policy. Second, we want to find a California Fair Plan broker. So find an insurance broker in the area, or you can reach out to us and we're happy to connect you with our local broker. Third, review your coverage options with your broker. The Fair Plan policy is very limited and you'll likely want to tack on coverage add-ons or even other policies. Fourth, work with the broker to submit your application. This could include a credit check and home inspection. Fifth, you'll review your insurance quote, so read through the policy and make sure you're happy with your coverage and limits. And then sixth, sign your policy, and upon making your first payment, your Fair Plan goes into effect.
So in conclusion, the California Fair Plan is an essential safety net for homeowners in high-risk areas. While it may not be the first choice, it provides a viable option when all else fails. If you've had experiences with the Fair Plan or have questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might find this information valuable. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time,
Stay informed,
stay safe,
and
happy house hunting!